Hello fellow island riders, glad to have you along for the adventure again today. Today, pretty gloomy day actually. Getting out here in the bit of a rainy day. Well, it's not raining anymore, but still. The idea is to get out here and just make sure the rain gear works just as good as it did last time. And the idea for that is because our big trip's coming up. Me and Brandon, well, as the time you're probably watching this, actually, you're probably watching this on a Friday because we release these on Friday. What are these? These are channel update videos. It is that time again. It's time for channel update. But as you're watching this, me and Brandon are headed over across the Wood Islands Ferry to get to Cape Breton. And that's our big trip for the year. We're headed over to Cape Breton. But before we did that, I wanted to sit down onto the bike here with you folks and just kind of take some time and go over, where we've been, what I'm doing right now, where we're going, that kind of thing. And I got a couple other cool things to share with you too. So, pick it right up. Right about now, you guys are probably finishing up the Cape Bear series, the coasts of Cape Bear. What a beautiful spot that was. Another case of like a nice coastal area of Prince Edward Island that just kind of surprises you, you know what I'm saying? You just turn around a corner and then all of a sudden it's just this gorgeous view. Oh man, that was such a fun ride. And I went back there a little bit later on, just earlier this week with my family to do a picnic, and it was just really, really nice. It's just so cool. Really enjoyed that little run there. What's coming up for you guys? A really fun series called it's kind of called Wrecked Up West, but it's a little bit of a group ride between myself and Brandon and a buddy of ours, Dylan, and he runs us through the Time Valley Evangeline ATV trail system up there. And man, oh man, that was a difficult run. I'm really excited to share that video with you too. Also, overall, the videos that we've got coming up here for you are going to be really all about, the group rides. And I've been trying to get out more with you guys, and try to have some fun, not always just by my lonesome. So I'm really excited to share those group rides with you. So that's what's coming up on the channel. We got a nice ride that we head out with Andy, where we go and we explore a bit more of the Red Isle ATV trail system and some, more familiar spots too. So, looking forward to sharing that with you as well. Now, what do we got going on? Well, lately, the trips have been really, long distance. I went on a nice little New Brunswick trip that was really fun too. And we're just getting ready to head out on our Cape Breton trip, but I'm super excited and super nervous for that as well. Sorry for the wind. The wind's crazy today. It's really like nutso weather. But before that gets started, I wanted to show you something also that's really neat. We had a really cool opportunity to see the oldest Canadian Navy vessel in service right now. It came into Charlottetown and we were given a really nice opportunity to tour that vessel from the folks there at the HMCS Oriole. So I'm going to skip you right to a more sunnier day, I guess, to enjoy some of that footage. I got some really cool drone footage. yeah, I want to just take it nice and slow behind this guy. You never know what's going to come flying off the pulp truck once they get onto the road. You know, everything settles and all that stuff just kind of starts flying off. It's never good having that come up underneath your wheel. You know, one of the things about, I don't ride in the rain too much, but I do enjoy it. But, you know, it's one of those things that you need to respect a lot because there's a lot of opportunities to lose traction. You know, actually, that's a really good point. There's a lot of opportunities to lose traction in the summertime overall. Like, I know the biggest things that I've been seeing this summer are people leaving their grass clippings on the side of the road, and holy smokes, you come around the corner and you see that, that's crazy. Another big thing, you know, is like the washouts, gravel on the road and stuff like that. And also just like, and I don't want to, like, you know, ruffle any feathers or anything like that, but like if you are on an ATV trail and you're taking off from an ATV trail onto a normal road, you know, I know that you guys got to kick it up to get it over to the other side of the road like that, but, you know, man, also be cognizant of the stuff you leave behind on the road, because, man, that gets dangerous. There's been a couple times where I've come around some sections where you can see an ATV trail just comes up onto the road, and then there's just like gravel all over the road, and it's just, it freaks you right out when you're coming around a turn like that, because that's a killer, man. That'll like wipe low side you on a bike, no problem at all. I mean, yeah. I guess the moral of that little aside is just, you know, stay frosty, island riders. There's lots of stuff out on the road that's trying to take your bike away from you. So be cognizant, I guess. So yeah, other cool channel update business. I guess a really cool thing is that we're up over 500 subscribers right now. That's really neat. We've been doing this just a little over a year now. So 500 subscribers, that's amazing. That's really, really cool. And the coolest part about that is all the different people that are now like joined the ride group. I really, really, really enjoy listening to all your comments, reading your comments, and hearing your stories. So, you know, right away, right now, I mean, if you're having a really good trip this summer and you want to, like, you know, shout it out, if you're going on a good, like, journey, or if you have a big trip planned, throw it in the comments down there and let me know about it, man. I love reading about that stuff. It's so cool. That's like one of the best parts about making these YouTube videos is just, you know, finding out who you guys are, listening to your adventures. Oh man, those are so cool. My adventures are just the catalyst to inspire you. I know that's the mission. Oh, you can smell the skunk. Oh man. He's such an old, rank old skunk, man. It's definitely getting back into skunk breeding season, I think. Holy jumpins'. Anyway, that's pretty much everything that I got for this channel update, folks. I'm really excited to share the new videos that are coming out. We're going to have a new upcoming short here that's going to be tagged on top of the channel here next week. Once I get back and let the dust settle, get all the memory cards sorted out from our trip. And I cannot wait to start editing that trip. Oh my god. I hope it's going to be everything that it's going to be. I mean, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge, I'm pretty sure, because, you know, like we're out here, you know, it's kind of gloomy and stuff like that. We're trying to get prepared for the inclement weather that's no doubt going to find us on Cape Breton Island. But if you're out adventuring, please ride safe. You know, don't be afraid to get out there even if it's raining. You know, you buy rain gear for a reason. These bikes can hack it. And like I said before, if you are going on an adventure, you know, let me know in the comments, where are you headed? What are you excited for? I'm excited for you. So until the next time we meet, until the next time we go on an adventure together, take care, fellow island riders.